minerals. You just have to trust.
I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they tone when they spin. Bitches is washed, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like boa constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami for also room shit. When I step, it's stampede. Put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm,
Welcome back to my channel. Your girl's in the gym. I haven't came back to you guys in a minute. Well, I thought it was the morning. We took forever to get out the bed, y'all. It is 12:10 p.m. So we're gonna go to the store later after we come from the gym. I did lose 10 pounds.
Cool down, too hot, too wild, move clear, new style. How you fucking with me, girl? Give me one shot, and I'm raising the glass. Give me 2 shots, and I'm shaking this. 3 shots, and I'm ready to 5, 4 shots, I be ready to splash. To me, so I gotta pop it. I'm sending on business, I'm ready about it. Bitch, be talking, might be big in they pocket. Girl, tell me about it. I'm litty, I'm pretty, I'm running the city. I'm shitting on bitches in every department. This ass is heavy and thick like peanut butter. And bitches jelly about it. A lot of winning, a lot of scoring here. Cardi Bryant, Cardi Jordan here. These bitches all losers. What they can't do is not important. Look, hey, I'm getting better and better. I do not see no competitors. You know the gang hit that. Said it was regular. Can see me in fighting, can see me in fashion, can see me with money. These bitches is bugging. Either these bitches is blind or I'm invisible. Bitch can see me at night. When I hop out with stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, Van Cleave, diamonds on. I see my eyes linking up. I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough.
Honestly, it's been, not even lie to y'all, it's been a few days. I'm back from the gym. I'm currently at work right now. It's currently 2:36. Yeah, I just wanted to check in, you guys. I did initially plan on doing a work with me type of scene, but y'all, it ended up being all over the place. I woke up late, just turned over. Y'all know how it is. My people who work from home, y'all know how it is. Y'all be rolling up out that bed instead of getting ready, and then you don't even get ready until you really go on your first break or something. So I don't have nothing planned today besides the norm family, mother, wife thing. Is pretty much getting myself together, cleaning up, cooking. And yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I haven't came to y'all in a while because I feel like y'all don't be wanting to see that. But y'all, listen, I just have to get myself out of thinking that y'all don't want to see something that y'all most likely probably want to see. Coming in, checking into you guys, letting you guys know what I had planned on for today, even though the day is damn near over. I'm just gonna take a call real quick, let y'all see me take my call so I can get like a rundown of my life. And then after that, I'm gonna come back to you guys 1 o'clock out. Thank you for calling. How can I help you today? Yeah, we can definitely look into that. It's depending on your specific facility. What is the state, just to be sure? All right, thank you. All right, guys, y'all seen that call? I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, I am back and I'm currently off work. It is currently about 6 o'clock. So to be honest, I've been off for like an hour. We finna head to Little Caesars up the street, get some pizza for Santi, because we are on a different diet. And to be honest, your girl don't feel like cooking. So I got my do-rag on, y'all. I'm trying to create some waves, get some waves going on. But we're gonna grab some pizza, then go to the store, get some snacks. I do have to get a couple of things from Dollar Tree. I do have to get like a dish rag and what else? Some dish soap. And then yeah, that's about it. So come with us. Alright, y'all, we are at Aldi's right now. We decided to go to Aldi's instead of Little Caesars. And for some syrup, this is the light, we'll do the original. And then we got the turkey. So alright, so y'all, we got the syrup, milk, and turkey, and we're about to check out. It's a long line, y'all. Alright, y'all, we in Dollar Tree right now. We had to grab some dish soap and then some more of these scrub things. I had to grab me a little snack. I be liking Smarties. I don't know why. I just like them. We're trying to look for something else to snack on. I'm trying to think if I should get some M&Ms. We are back home, and I'm just gonna unpack the little ass stuff we did get. Y'all, I'm finna leave this off. Let me throw my bonnet. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Bonnet on. We needed some dish soap and some stuff to clean this shit off the stove because it's looking dirty. Y'all, and don't mind it being so dark in here. They literally, my apartment building, they've been hesitating on fixing this light up here. It'll come on, but it won't come all the way on. It'll just flash. I'm just putting the stuff in the fridge, in the freezer that needs to be put in there, which is this meat. And I don't know if I show y'all, but I ended up getting this, I think it's an 8-pack from Dollar Tree. Okay, anybody finna just get no 2-pack. We need an 8-pack. Shop smarter, not harder. And I'll be trying, did I tell y'all? Yesterday I had cut my finger. I think I told y'all earlier. But it's like hard for me to do a lot of stuff. So like even washing dishes. So lately I've been washing the dishes inside the dishwasher. And honestly, I'll be trying not to because I wasn't raised on having a dishwasher or cleaning. If we did have a dishwasher, I didn't clean out the dishwasher, but at this point, I might as well use my free will, right? Alright, and what I'm gonna do is make a sausage with peanut butter jelly sandwiches. I did say I was gonna get some pizza. I decided not to and just go ahead and get all this because pizza don't last. Pizza don't last. It's just spending money for no reason and it's unnecessary. So I'm just making what we got at the house. He like peanut butter jelly sandwiches anyway. I'm making real peanut butter and jelly sandwiches since we made them for the first time one time. That's what he been liking. And I always put my bread in the freezer to make it last longer. And then if I need to warm it up, we don't have a microwave, so I just throw it in the air fryer for like a minute. Yes, ma'am. Bread lasts long forever. But when you put it in the freezer, don't take it out because it'll go bad instantly, literally like the next day. So I'll be having to just put it right back in that freezer. I don't really plan on doing nothing but eating my snack and watching my series. Y'all, I've been on to La Brea. If y'all ain't watched La Brea and you is somebody who literally is just curious or just want to watch a show, and even if you don't believe in like stuff like portals and stuff, it's still something interesting to watch. But if you're somebody who's very, you know, interested in like portals, in which they have been saying there's been some portals around here. I don't want to say too much because it is social media, but if you're interested in stuff like that, like spiritually, definitely watch La Brea. It's like, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if that stuff is actually true, because the stuff that we've been thinking ain't true, 9 times out of 10 eventually it ended up being true. I'm finna just grill this and then I'll get back to y'all when I'm watching my show.
Dete se oliuget if you want that estada video, subscribe.